Hi, this is TeknoGadyet, and we are here for the unboxing and hands-on of various cables. These cables are from Ekotek, and they call it the Firmlink series. So each cable has their own purpose and own use, as well, of course, their own own price. So let's start with the Firmlink audio cable series. So this one is the 3.5 mm ST plug to 2 times 3.5 ST socket. So basically this is the 3.5 mm jack, and it can be split into two. It has it basically a splitter having two two 3.5 mm ST socket. So this one has a price tag of 199. Next, we have here the another audio cable. This one is the 3.5 ST plug to 3.5 ST plug. So basically, this is auxiliary cable. Okay. So as I mentioned, this is basically an auxiliary cable having both ends. The having both ends 3.5 mm ST plug. So that one has a price tag of 230 pesos, and has a length of 1 meter. So next is the 3.5 mm ST plug to 2 times RCA plugs. I don't know why it's so hard to open the box without breaking it. Anyway, uh, by the way, each box contains the steps on how to contact Ekotek specialist support. A support specialist, and also it has a warranty card and a sticker. So this one is another audio cable. This is again a 3.5 mm uh, ST plug to 2 times RCA cable. Next, by the way, that one cost around 199 pesos. Next, we have here 2 times RCA plug to 2 times RCA plugs. So basically, this is has a 2 meter length, useful for extending the reach of your audio equipment. This one costs 150 pesos. Next, we have here now the data series cables, and let's start with the Firmlink USB 2.0 A plug to USB 2.0 A plug. So basically, this is another extension cable. As you can see, this is actually a USB to A plug to USB 2.0 A socket. So as I mentioned, this is actually an extension cable. So if you have another USB cable with A plug, you can just insert it to extend the length of the reach of the, I mean, whatever you want to connect with it, like for example, a mouse or maybe a keyboard. So this one has a price tag of 150 pesos. Next is the USB 2.0 A plug to USB 2.0 B plug. As you can see, this one is a cable. The B plug is usually we see it for printers. So basically, this one is can be used as a replacement cable for printers. And this one is cost 150 pesos as well, and has a length of 2 meters. Next, we have here the USB 2.0 A plug to USB 2.0 B plug. I mean mini B plug. So basically, this one is the mini USB cable and used in older devices like smartphones and cameras. This one has a price tag of 199 pesos and has a length of 1 meter. So next is the USB 2.0 to micro USB 2.0. So basically, this is the cable that we are using on current smartphones like Android phones. So basically, this is a standard USB cable, A plug, and micro USB plug as well. So this one has a retail price tag of 159 pesos and has a length of 1 meter. Next is USB 3.0 to USB 3.0 B plug. So basically this one is a USB 3.0 cable and can be used for uh, some of the latest equipments or mobile phones like Galaxy S5 or Note 3. So this is a standard micro USB A plug, and this one is the micro USB 3.0 plug. You can also use it on some of the latest external hard drives, which and actually the USB 3.0 is becoming the standards of the newer equipments and gadgets. So that one has a retail price tag of 260 pesos. Next, we have here the Firmlink USB 3.0 to USB 3.0 B plug. So typically, this is also for most of it is typically for printer use, which has a 3.0 B plug socket, and this one has a retail price tag of I mean, uh, 280 pesos and length of 2 meters. Next, we have here the USB 3.0A to USB 3.0A. So basically, this is uh, also a extension cable which you can use for your gadgets or devices. It has a retail price tag of 150 pesos. Lastly, we have here the multimedia cable series, and this one is HDMI A plug to HDMI A plug. So basically, this is a standard HDMI cable. So used for HD TVs and your multimedia equipment. So basically, that's all the cables that we have here. And once again, each this cable can be bought from Ekotek stores and kiosks nationwide. And as I mentioned, each cable has a different price tag. So Once again, this is TeknoGadget, and thank you for watching. Bye.